Hello, dear students. In our previous classes, we studied the conversation which was going on between Gerard and the intruder. And in today's class, we will study what happens next. So let's start our class. Gerard. In most melodramas, the villain is foolish enough to delay his killing long enough to be frustrated. You are much luckier. Gerard told to the intruder that in most of melodramas, when villain wants to kill anyone, he delays his killing for getting more and more frustrated. And as for this case, you are luckier than those villain of melodramas. Intruder at this, I am okay. I have got a reason for everything. I am going to be Vincent Charles Gerard. See, I have got to know what he talks like. Now I know that push stuff comes easy. This is Mr. V.C. Gerard speaking. Pantomime of phoning in imitation, cultured voice. And that is not all. He stands up. Get up a minute, Gerard stands. Now take a look at me. Intruder said that he got everything, got every reason for killing Mr. Gerard and replace himself as Gerard. And he also informed that he had listened all the things, he had learnt all the things about Gerard, talking style of Gerard, walking style of him, and also posture of Gerard. That's why he tries to imitate his a phone call, and he also informs Gerard that it is not all, and then shows him the posture in which Gerard stands. Gerard, you are not particularly decorative, and at last the intruder ordered Gerard to look at him, but Gerard answered that he was not particularly decorative. That's why he has no interest in looking at him. Intruder, no, well, that goes for you too. I have only got to wear spaces and I will be enough like you to get away with it. Okay. Then intruder said that by killing Gerard he will get the identities of Gerard and will get enough spaces from escaping himself from police. Gerard, what about your clothes? They will let you down if you are not careful. At this, Gerard said that, what about the clothes? You have learnt my habits, my walking style, my talking style, but what about your clothes? Your clothes will disclose your secret and will let you down. So be careful. Intruder, that's all be right. Yours will fit me fine. At this, intruder said that it is quite correct, and your clothes will be fit on my body. Gerard, that is extremely interesting. What you seem to miss the point of my remark. I said you were luckier than most melodramatic violence. It was not a tribute to your intelligence. You won't kill me for a very good reason. Gerard said that it is quite interesting, and you also missed the point what I made before some time. I informed you that you are luckier than other melodramatic villains, and that statement was not a comment, a praising comment on your intelligence, but it was that you will not kill me for good reasons, intruder. So that is what you think. At this intruder that said that it is your side, what you think, this is your thought, not mine, Gerard. You will let me go, and thank God you didn't shoot sooner. At this, Gerard said that finally you will not kill me, you will let me go, and it is the blessing of God that you did not shoot me earlier. Intruder, come on, that's on your mind. Better be quick. This conversation bores me. At this, intruder said that, come on, Gerard, it is your thinking. But be quick, be ready to get murdered, as this conversation which is going between us is boring me. Gerard, your idea is to elude the police by killing me and taking on my identities. Gerard once again confirms that you want to kill me and take my identities, and by taking my identities, you want to escape yourself from the arrest or from the police. Intruder, yes, that is the point, that is the idea, and yes, I like the idea. Gerard, but are you sure it is going to help you? At this, Gerard again wanted to confirm from the intruder that was the idea of taking his identities going to help him. Intruder, now listen here, I have got this all planned. I did a job in town, things went wrong, and I killed a cop. Since then, I have done nothing but dodge. Intruder angrily said to Gerard, listen, I was working, means intruder was working in a town, and at the working place in the town, something bad happened, something wrong happened with the intruder, and he killed a cop. And since then, he is running, he is escaping himself from the police, and he got no place to be settled, and he is running and escaping himself from the arrest. Gerard, and this is where dodging has brought you, and that is why this is the place, means my cottage is the place where dodging has brought you. Intruder, it brought me to Aylesbury, that is where I saw you in the car. Two other people saw you and started to talk. I listened. It looks like you are a bit queer, kind of a mystery man. It brought me, it means dodging brought me to Aylesbury, where I saw you with the two other people who were talking to you, and you looked me just like a quite mysterious man, Jared. A mystery which I possess to explain. A mystery that he possessed to explain. Intruder disregarding him. Intruder disregards or avoids his statement. You phone your orders and sometimes you go away suddenly and come back just the same. Those are just the things I want to do. Hearing about you was one of my luckiest break. Okay. Intruder informs Gerard that he followed he followed him, and he also noticed that he goes out, he places some order, and suddenly he goes out and also returns quickly. And those are the things which the intruder wanted to do. And he also heard a lot of things about Gerard. Gerard. Apparently, you haven't the intelligence to ask why I am invested in this cloak of mystery. At this, Gerard said to intruder that he has not enough intelligence, as he did not ask Gerard why he was living in that mysterious cottage or in that mysterious way. So, dear students, in today's class, we will study only this much, and in next class, the chapter will be completed. So, thank you for watching this video.